guys, welcome back to my channel. And I guess you guys might have noticed something different in today's video. If not, let me tell you, I got bangs. And yeah, I know it's like a drastic change right now because you guys are seeing me like this for the very first time, but I'm pretty sure with time you guys are gonna get used to it. I don't know what you guys think about it. Just let me know in the comment section. Even though I'm like super scared to go and see what you guys think about it, but still let me know. I personally like really like it. Anyways, so today's video is a little different, something I have never done on my channel despite being a huge K-pop fan, as you guys already know. And I've never done a K-pop related video like ever on my channel. So basically I just put up this poll on my community tab to ask you guys for some fun, cool ideas, some new ones that I've never done on my channel before. And I got some pretty amazing ideas. Like, you guys are pretty creative. And not just this idea, I also got a couple of other fun ideas that I'm planning on doing soon on my channel. Now, if you guys have been following me on Instagram for some time now, you might have noticed that all my outfits are like so inspired by Blackpink, like all the time. So basically I put together 5 outfits of my favorite girl group, which is Blackpink, of course. Now none of these outfits are like exact recreation of their outfits. It's like inspired by them. It's like a combination of few of their looks, and I've just made them into this one look. Okay, so before getting on to the outfits, I just wanted to share with you guys these really cool lenses that I got from TTDI. This is what their packaging looks like. It was like so super duper cute. Like when it arrived, I was like, oh my god, this is like the cutest packaging I've ever received.
Now I'm going to show you guys what all I have in this box. Now all of these things are from TTDI, and first of all I have these stickers and these really cute tattoos. Now moving on to the 4 main lenses that I ordered. The packaging of these lenses is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. First of all, I have this blue one right here, and this one is called Queen Blue. Next up I have this one in yellow packaging, and this one is called Bubble Brown. Third up I have this one in pink, and this lens is called their Juice Pink. And last but not the least, I have this green one, and this one is called Edge Grey. So you're also gonna get these really cute little cases to store your lenses, and there'll be 4 of them for 4 lenses. Apart from that, I also have this really cute hand mirror for assisting you while wearing those lenses, and also this cute box of yellow confetti or glitter. So I'm gonna try out the blue one first. This is what it looks like, and yep, now I'm just gonna put it in the case, and this is what they look like after that. Now I just got my brother to try these on because he absolutely loves lenses, and this is what they look like after going into his eyes. They look so beautiful and natural. This is probably my favorite color out of all of them. Next up I'm gonna try the pink one. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like in the case. And now I'm just gonna have him try these on, and yeah, this is what they look like. They have this really light and faint tint of pink in there, and they look so super duper adorable. Next up I have this one called Bubble Brown, and this is what it looks like. It has this little like polka dot kind of things, and I totally love this little design that it has. Now I'm gonna get him to try these on. This is what they look after trying them on. This one I think is the most natural color, and I think it looks super adorable as well. Last but not the least, I have this one in grey, and this is what they look like after wearing. I totally love this. Here's a close-up shot of how it looks after wearing, and I probably think this is one of my favorite ones, and this looks so natural and pretty.
So that was all about their lenses, guys. They're so super duper cute, and they're super like good quality as well, so it's totally worth going and checking them out. If you guys are interested in wearing lenses and are looking for a brand to try out, then trust me, this is the one that you want to go for. Like, you go to the website and their range is like so huge, so amazing, and there's so many lenses that you guys can choose from. Now their website will be linked in the description box below, as well as their Instagram handle, so make sure to go and check them out. Trust me, you guys are gonna love them. And if you buy anything, then please make sure to use my code, because you guys are gonna get a 10% discount if you do so. So don't forget to use my code, which is displayed right here on the screen, and you guys are gonna get a 10% off. Okay, so let's start with the very first outfit, guys. I've noticed that Blackpink members really tend to wear these like short little mini skirts with this checkered kind of a pattern, and also I've seen like these days they have been wearing, I don't even know how to describe it. I mean, it's like a shirt or a jacket or a sweater or whatever, but it's literally like till here. Like, Lisa actually wore this one in the Lovesick Girls dance practice video and I totally loved that. Then I also saw Jisoo wearing something like this in, I think, the Pretty Savage live performance video. And then I asked my mom to make this outfit for me and she made this one for me out of scratch. Now basically this outfit, this jacket on top and the skirt are actually a shirt. And this was actually a men's checkered shirt and my mom actually cut that from there and she made the bottom part of it into a mini skirt that I'm wearing, and the top part I just wore it as it is, and this really amazing outfit was created. Then I posted this picture on my Instagram and you guys were like, where did you get this outfit from? So my mom actually made it. The top I'm wearing is the same one I'm wearing right now, it's from Zara, but the rest of the outfit, the skirt and the jacket that I'm wearing on top, my mom made it. The second outfit I'm going to create is of Lisa. Now actually this outfit I created a long time ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have noticed this because I think about a few months back I did create this already. This is the outfit that she wore. She's wearing like a white turtleneck and a long black skirt, and she has also like put a little black fanny bag around her waist, and I happen to have all these items. I'm just wearing this really cute white turtleneck with this long pleated kind of a skirt, and I also happen to have a black fanny bag which is not exactly like the one she's wearing, but it is very similar. So I just decided to wear that and I decided to keep my hair open. So yeah, that's how I recreated that outfit and I totally love it so much. I mean, I would definitely love to wear it. Moving on to outfit number 3. Now I created an outfit of Rose actually. One thing I noticed about Rose was that she has been wearing a lot of denim jeans. Like, I just went on Pinterest and searched Rose's fashion and a lot of her airport fashion pictures came up, and in so many of those pictures she was wearing denim jeans, these loose kind of denim jeans, like in a really light blue shade. So what I did was I just wore this white top that I'm wearing right now, and with that I wore some blue denim jeans. Now these were not exactly the kind Rose was wearing, but it was kind of similar. It was a little distressed jeans, and if you see, she also has this black sling bag that she's wearing along with that. Now I actually didn't have one. I did have one, but it was like too big, so I decided to go for this other one which was very similar to the one she was wearing, but the only difference was it's like in light grey color. I think the outfit still like looked a lot like hers, and then again, this is not like an exact replica of her outfit, but very much inspired by her. So yeah, this is how the outfit turned out and I totally love it. Alright guys, so that was the third outfit. Now moving on to the next one. Again, as I said earlier, Blackpink members wear a lot of these checkered skirts, and I saw these pictures in which all the members were wearing these kind of like really cute skirts. I didn't have one exactly like that. It was kind of loose. I had this like a whole dress. I'm just gonna put the picture over here. So it's like a whole dress, but I just decided to use it as a skirt, and on top I wanted something that would like cover the entire thing up so nobody could tell that it's actually a dress and not just a skirt. Then I saw the pictures in which they are wearing these little skirts along with hoodies, like these really like full length hoodies. So I thought this would be like actually perfect, because if I wear a hoodie on top, the whole thing is gonna be covered and it's gonna look exactly like they wear it. So I decided to go and stock my brother's closet. So I got this black hoodie from his closet, and then I decided to wear that on top along with my black boots. I saw them wearing these like so often and I was like, I want to get them too. So when I saw them on the shelves of H&M, I was like, I have to get them. So I just paired all these up together, and this is how the outfit looked in the end. I think it turned out pretty well. And now moving on to the fifth and the final outfit for the day, which is inspired by Jennie actually. So again, I was like browsing through the pictures on Pinterest, and this picture actually popped up of Jennie, and I thought that I like have all the pieces that she's wearing. I don't have anything exactly like that, but I have stuff that is quite similar. She's wearing this light pink kind of a top, and I also happened to have a light pink top which looked very similar to the one she was wearing. And then she was also wearing a mini black skirt which was completely like solid black, but I didn't have any skirt like that, but I had this other one which had some design on top. And she's wearing these black stockings like on her legs, so I decided to wear them too because I had one. And for the accessories, she was wearing a black headband that I also am wearing, and apart from that, she's carrying this small little pink bag like on her shoulder, and it's like pretty small. Mine is a little bigger than that. In her hand, she's also having a light pink scrunchie. I do have a pink scrunchie, but it's not in the same shade. It's like pretty dark. It's like a maroon kind of a color, but still I decided to wear that, and that is how this entire outfit looks.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me.
guys, I love all these outfits and I love all the 4 girls so much. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and yep, make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. Let's get to 50k really soon. I mean, we'll be halfway to our target, which is 100k. I don't know when we're gonna hit 100k, but let's reach 50k really soon. And last but not the least, make sure to go and check out these really cute lenses from TTD Eye. Their website and Instagram is also linked in the description box below. And with that, we are here to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.